Kandasashti Kavasham is a Hindu devotional song composed in 19th century by Devaraya Swamigal on Lord Muruga, the son of Lord Shiva, and staged in Chennimalai near Erode in Tamil Nadu. In this video, let us see the direct English translation of the poem to understand the meaning well, so that when we listen Kavasam next time, we can mesmerize with its immense beautiful meaning. For those who recite the Skanda Sashti Kavasham, which is blessed by Lord Muruga with pure heart, may their strong karmic sufferings and worries come to an end. For those who memorize this by heart, may wealth, spirituality grow, and all their prayers be granted. Dedication to Lord Kumaran, who blessed and resolved the problems of the immortals. On his lovely feet we shall meditate wholeheartedly. Lord Muruga, who has the veil which shines with the rays of red light and fulfills the wishes of his devotees, whose twinkling anklets into feet produce melodious sounds, the peacock rider who does dance that seduces the viewers. Come and protect me with veil in your hand. Welcome to thee, O Lord of the veil. Welcome to thee, O rider of the peacock. Welcome, welcome to thee, O Lord of mystical veil, with praising from Lord Indran to the devas of all the 8 directions. Welcome you, son-in-law of Lord Indra Devendran. Welcome you, who are in the mind of the loving tribal maiden Valli. Welcome, Lord, you who are six-faced. Come every day, Lord, whose forehead is adorned with sacred ash. Come quickly, Lord of Sirahiri Malai. Lord of Saravanabhava, come suddenly. Salutations to the Lord of 6 letters, which gets interchanged, and who has to come like a flash of light. Come, O brave warlord of the Devas, who battled against the Asuras and destroyed them. Young Lord, who assumed lordship over me, in your 12 hands you hold 12 weapons, the 12 pasa and the ankusamam. With your merciful 12 wide-opened, shiny eyes, to protect me quickly, come, O Lord of the Veil. With Ayyum, Kilium followed by Shavum, with life-sustaining light and Shavum, with soul and Ayyum Kilium, with Kilium, Savum and bright light with Ayyum. All these Bijamantras help to visualize you to stand and shine in front of me. O Lord of pretty face with your brilliant line, come daily, O Lord of Guhan, son of Shivan, who attained Kundalini Shakti, and come, Lord, with your 6 faces, along with 6 bejeweled crowns, with sacred ash adorned foreheads and long eyebrows, with 12 eyes and coral-like mouth with red lips, in your good-looking forehead with jewel with Navaratnas, in your 12 ears with delicately beautiful earrings, in your 12 broad shoulders and good-looking chest, you wear various ornaments and pendants. With the garland of 9 gemmed chains embroidered with precious stones, with the sacred investiture thread across your bejeweled chest, with your praised beautiful abdomen, with your brightened silk sash and girdle encircle your slim waist, with a 9 gemmed diadem adorning your perfectly flown silken robes, and the beauty of 2 thighs and adjoining knees. In your beautiful feet, anklets rumbles harmonious blend of melodious notes like Shagagana Moga Moga Naga Naga Diguguna Diguna, most pleasing to the ear. Come quickly, O Lord, who rides peacock. Rush, O rush, Lord Murugan, who has veil. O Lord, who resides in Swami Malai and rules my soul. Help by granting boon which your child asks for. Who is prettily dressed with so much of joy, who is so playful, having firm faith in your holy feet in my head. Keep those feet in my head and protect. O Lord, soul of my souls, protect. With your 12 eyes, protect your child. Protect my face, O beautiful veil. Protect the holy ash adorned forehead, O pure veil. Protect the two eyes, O shining veil. Protect the 2 ears, O Lord of the veil. Protect the 2 nostrils, O good veil. Protect the mouth which speaks, O great veil. Protect the 32 teeth, O piercing veil. Protect the tongue which says, O perfect veil. Protect the 2 cheeks, O shining bright veil. Protect my young neck, O sweet veil. Protect the chest, O bejeweled veil. Protect the young nipples in the chest, O holy veil. Protect the 2 shoulders to get strengthened, O sharp veil. Protect the 2 napes, O great veil. Protect the back with prettiness, O graceful veil. Protect the 16 rib bones, O youthful veil. Protect the stomach to function properly, O ever victorious veil. Protect the small waist to get beautiful, O red shining veil. Protect the umbilical cord, O good veil. Protect the organs of reproduction and excretion, O good and beautiful veil. Protect the buttocks, O great veil. Protect the rounded anus, O strong veil. Protect the palm-like 2 thighs, O large veil. Protect the ankles and knees, O bright veil. Protect the 5 fingers possessed toes and feet, O blessed veil. Protect the 2 hands, O merciful veil. Protect the 2 forearms, O strong veil. Grant that Goddess Lakshmi resides in my upper arms. May Goddess Saraswati dwell in my tongue and thus well in my speech. Protect the lotus-like navel, O good veil. May Ida, Purigala, and Shushnama be protected by the victorious veil. For as long as my tongue can utter your mantras, may your veil, which destroys enemies, protect me. Come with the speed of lightning to protect me, O golden veil. May veil, which is as strong as diamond, protect me in all upcoming day and night. May veil, which acts as bridge, protect me in the early hours of the night, mid hours of the night, and pre-dawn hours. During dawn and dusk, protect me, O veil which destroys evil. Remove all the delay and protect me, O ever vigilant veil. Protect, O golden veil. Throw your merciful glance towards me quickly without any delay. Destroy without any interruption. May your look destroy all the sins like fine powder. Remove all witchcrafts and vengeance. Let powerful ghosts, strong spirits, uncontrollable demons which causes so much of discomfort, spirits in the backyard that swallow infants, devils that spit fire, short-sized ghosts, and Brahmin ghosts that follow maidens get trembled with fear on seeing me. Women ghosts and all this army which causes sorrow, whoever comes in my way on day and night, in the name of Kali, who demands heavy puja, group of demons and ghosts, spirits coming in decorated car and also fiends, at the mention of my name, may these spirits and demons take to their heels with the speed of lightning. Doll kept on their elephant feet, cat hair, children bones, nail and hair, head with long hair, with more dolls and more pots, buried in the home with conspiracy, spelled puppet with much ego. Practice where chicken or goat gets killed with offerings of money, coins, and rice, reciting chants, spells, and the practice of black magic. May those who indulge in this shudder at the name of my name. May traitors and enemies in humility bow before me. May workers of Yemen get confused on seeing me. May they shiver in fear, roll in agony, scream in terror, and flee in utter fear of me. Tie their body with rope of love and bang them against the wall. Tie such that they scream. Tie and make them roll to break leg and hand. Tie such that they scream, collide such that their eyes bulges out, kill such that they scale to find feathers. O beautiful Lord, who has enmity against the devils, punch them with your sharpened veil. Catch the light from Surya Bhagavan and throw the fire. Throw the fire such that the fire turn into an image. Protect your veil to make them run with fear. May tigers, foxes, wolves, rats, and bears run one by one on seeing me. May the poison of scorpions, snakes, large centipedes, if bitten and spread to head or other parts of the body, get out of the body and lower in ease. Sprain, one side headache, rheumatism, cold diseases, fits, bile, stomach ailments, low sugar, dyspepsia, faint or lethargy, psoriasis, excessive body ache, lipoma, hernia, cracks in any part of the body, lymphogranuloma venereum, eczema, wounded non-cancerous tumor, spider angioma in hands and feet, toothache, acne, inguinal bubo. Bless me such that may all these ailments on sight of me just run without stopping. Grant me, O Lord, good relationship with all the 14 worlds. May both men and women be pleased with me. May the ruling sovereign be pleased with me. I, who adore thy great name, you who originated from the waters of Saravana and enshrined in brightness, Son of Lord Shiva and Lord with great light, whose holy feet are adorned with the melodious anklets, one who destroys sin, nephew of Vishnu and Lakshmi, who helped the Devas to come out of severity of demons by protecting the city of Amarapati, Lord Kanta, Lord Guha, O Lord of the brilliant veil, who was nurtured by the Kartigai maidens, who wears the garland of Kadamba flowers. O Lord, you with your sweet veil destroyed Kadamba and Idumban. O Lord of Tirthani, son of Shiva, O Lord of Kadirgamam, wielder of the brilliant veil, O youthful Lord, who abodes in Palani, O Lord of Tiruvavinangudi, dweller of the beautiful veil, O Lord of Tiruchendur, who is adored as Sengalvaraya, O Lord of Samarapuri, also known as King Shanmuga, for as long as the beautiful Saraswati, who has dark tresses, recites and guards my tongue, I shall sing thy name. O Lord and Father, who follows me, I sang and danced in ecstasy. I danced and searched for you, wearing sacred ash in the forehead with lots of love, that I might, with your grace, break off from the bonds of Maya and attain bliss and graceful life at thy lotus feet. Bless me, O Lord of Veil, with love, that I might be showered with plenty of food and jewels. Long live the rider of the peacock. Long live Lord of sharp veil in his hands. Long live mentor who dwells in hilly abodes. Long live with lovely tribal woman Valli. Long live he who has the cockerel as emblem on his flag. Long live Lord, and may my poverty cease. O Lord, whatever my shortcomings or mistakes I do, you as my Father and Guru, forgive me for them and bear with me as your responsibility. Tribal woman Valli is but mother who gave birth. Thus, as parents, look upon me as your child and show affection. Be pleased with me and bless me with joyous heart. May those flourish who come to you as refuge. He who meditates on this kavasam, which is penned and shared by Devaraya, daily on both morning and evening with concentration, after washing the body with cleanliness and politeness, meditate the kavasam with utmost devotion and love. without losing mind concentration, reciting 36 times inside the heart daily. And who uses the vibhuti of the Lord will attain therein these benefits. People from all 8 directions in the world will obey and in favor. The devas of all 8 directions will bless him with their merciful deeds. All enemies will obey and surrender. The Navagrahangal will be pleased and confer blessings, will get elegance like new Cupid. He will be blessed with the 16 wealths all the times. This Kandashashti Kavasham, which is equivalent to Lord Murugan's veil, if recited and used as a path, will confer great spiritual blessings on the aspirant. Truth, knowledge, and mukti will shine. Devils would not dare approach these devotees of the Lord. The evil will meet their end, while in the good, the feet of Murugan shall ever dance. You who have understood my heart, of all the Lakshmis, you have given new vigor to Veera Lakshmi. With the hands that killed Surapadman, you have graced the 27 Devas by granting them the gift of ambrosia with happiness. You, Lord, have the ability to grant moksha, and who, as Guru Paran, gave Upadesha to Lord Swami himself. You who resides in the temple of Palani Hills as a child, at your little holy feet I prostrate. O Lord of the Veil, you whose loving form has entered my heart in beautiful shape and hold me by blocking the evil deeds, praise be to thee. O warlord of the Devas, praise be to thee. O King, who gives immense happiness to the Valli, praise be to thee. He whose form is strong and charming, praise be to thee. He who conquered Idamba and Kadamba, praise be to thee. O Lord of the Veil, who is garlanded with witchy flowers, praise be to thee. O incomparable King of the Golden Council in Kandagiri, praise be to thee. I surrender at thy lotus feet, which dances on peacock. I surrender to thee, Lord Saravanabhava. I surrender to thee, Lord Shanmuga.